Welcome to our in-depth review of the top 5 best steam cleaners in 2025. Today, we'll explore powerful, chemical-free cleaning solutions designed to make your home spotless effortlessly. Stay tuned till the end to discover which model offers the best performance, value, and innovative features for every cleaning need. I hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 Steam Mop, a versatile cleaning tool that promises to make your home sparkle with minimal effort. From floors to countertops, this steam mop claims to handle almost every surface. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 is designed for multi-surface use. It easily tackles dirt and grime on sealed hardwood, tile, granite, stainless steel, and even glass. Whether it's your floors, cabinets, or countertops, this mop adapts effortlessly. Its versatility makes it perfect for busy homes with a mix of surfaces. One standout feature is the steam glove. This innovative glove lets you clean horizontal and vertical surfaces, like sealed cabinets, high chairs, or showers. It's hands-on, precise, and makes scrubbing corners or awkward spots simple. Cleaning your kitchen and bathroom has never been this convenient. The variable steam control is another plus. The Smart Select system lets you adjust steam output for different tasks. Whether it's tough grime or delicate surfaces, you can control the intensity. It's a thoughtful feature that prevents damage while ensuring effective cleaning. Equipped with a large capacity tank, this steam mop allows long cleaning sessions without constant refills. Plus, the continuous flow system keeps the steam coming, so there's no need to hold a trigger. It's efficient, saving time and energy while tackling big jobs. Finally, it heats up in just 20 seconds and is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry from room to room. This combination of speed, portability, and power ensures a stress-free cleaning experience. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile, efficient, and convenient cleaning solution. With multi-surface capabilities, smart steam control, and the steam glove, it's perfect for keeping your home spotless. If you want a reliable, all-in-one steam cleaner, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Bissell PowerSteamer Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Mop plus Handheld SteamShot Steam Cleaner. If you're looking for a powerful, chemical-free way to tackle dirt, grime, and germs around your home, garage, or even your vehicle, this versatile steam cleaner might just be what you need. This Bissell steam cleaner packs high-temperature steam to blast away dirt, grease, stains, and mold. It works on sealed floors, patio furniture, windows, and even the interior of cars and boats. With a 13-inch cleaning path and a swivel head, cleaning large areas is faster and easier than ever. One of the best features is its 3-in-1 design. It transforms from an upright mop to an extended reach cleaner and even a handheld steam cleaner. This flexibility allows you to reach floors, tight corners, and hard-to-reach surfaces without juggling multiple tools. Worried about germs? Don't be. The Bissell PowerSteamer eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and germs using just steam. It's perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants a chemical-free, safe cleaning solution without compromising on hygiene. With variable steam modes and an on-demand trigger, you control how much steam is released. This precision helps prevent damage on delicate surfaces, while still giving tough messes the power they need to disappear quickly. Finally, the Bissell comes with a wall-mount storage option, keeping your cleaner out of the way but ready to go whenever you need it. No more tangled cords or bulky storage problems. Overall, the Bissell PowerSteamer 3-in-1 is versatile, powerful, and user-friendly. From sanitizing floors to cleaning your car, it's a chemical-free solution that saves time and effort. If you're serious about deep cleaning, this steam cleaner is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, a versatile cleaning tool designed to make your home sparkling clean without any harsh chemicals. Whether you have hardwood floors, tiles, carpets, or upholstery, this steam mop promises to tackle it all. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop relies entirely on heated steam, giving you a chemical-free way to clean your home. Perfect for households with children and pets, it effectively eliminates dirt, grease, and bacteria. You get a safe, eco-friendly clean while avoiding the harsh smell and residue of conventional cleaners. This steam mop heats up in just 30 seconds, making it super convenient for busy days. Use it on hardwood, tile, laminate, or even carpets. It also doubles as a grout cleaner. With the included measuring cup and funnel, filling the water tank is simple and mess-free. the steamer detaches easily for handheld use. Smooth wrinkles from clothes, freshen upholstery, or refresh drapes effortlessly. Lightweight and portable, it turns a tedious chore into a quick, efficient task, letting you clean hard-to-reach areas without any strain. The mop head swivels to reach under furniture, and the collapsible handle makes storage easy. Washable mop cloths work for carpets with the glider attachment. Its design ensures you can clean corners and edges without awkward bending or heavy lifting. PurSteam includes brushes, nozzles, a scraper, steamer jet, squeegee, carpet glider, and microfiber cloths. These accessories make it suitable for stoves, grout lines, tight spaces, and more. This all-in-one setup eliminates the need for multiple cleaning tools, keeping your home neat and organized. Overall, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a game changer. From chemical-free cleaning to multi-surface versatility, it's perfect for busy homes. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and packed with accessories, this mop simplifies cleaning while saving time. If you're looking for a reliable all-in-one steam solution, this is a strong pick. Number 2. The McCulloch Heavy-Duty Steam Cleaner, a powerhouse for chemical-free cleaning. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime at home or detailing your car, this steam cleaner promises versatility, convenience, and professional-level results without using harsh chemicals. Let's dive in. The McCulloch Steam Cleaner uses high-pressure, superheated steam to tackle grease, grime, and stains naturally. From tiles and grout to kitchen appliances and grills, it leaves surfaces sparkling without any chemicals. Perfect for families or anyone sensitive to cleaning products, it's an eco-friendly solution that delivers deep, effective cleaning every time. With 23 accessories, this cleaner handles virtually any cleaning task. Mop pads, brushes, scrapers, squeegees, and more let you clean floors, windows, cars, and even hard-to-reach corners. The included storage bag keeps everything organized, making it easy to switch tools quickly and tackle multiple surfaces with minimal hassle. Car enthusiasts will love the MC1385's detailing capabilities. Its steam pressure and range of brushes allow you to reach tight crevices, remove tough stains, and leave interiors spotless. You can achieve professional results without paying for a detailer, all from the comfort of your garage. The 64-ounce water tank heats in under 12 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of steam. With variable steam control, steam lock, and 4-bar pressure, you can adjust intensity for any job. It blasts away dirt efficiently, saving time and effort on large or stubborn messes. A long 18-foot power cord and 7-foot steam hose give extra reach for high or distant areas. Its intuitive design ensures easy handling, letting you clean floors, countertops, and vehicles without awkward stretching or constant repositioning. Safety tested and US certified, it's built to last. The McCulloch Heavy-Duty Steam Cleaner is a versatile, powerful, and eco-friendly cleaning solution. From home deep cleaning to car detailing, it offers convenience, performance, and impressive reach. If you want a chemical-free, all-in-one steam cleaner, the MC 1375 per Mega Coulomb 1385 Deluxe is definitely worth checking out. Number 1. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner, a powerhouse for chemical-free cleaning. Whether you want to sanitize your floors, refresh your kitchen, or detail your car, this compact device promises efficiency and versatility. Let's see why it's quickly becoming a favorite in homes everywhere. The Dupray Neat generates superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, lifting dirt, grease, and grime naturally. No harsh chemicals needed. It not only cleans, but also sanitizes, deodorizes, and refreshes surfaces. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, it tackles messes effectively while keeping your home safe for kids and pets. This steam cleaner comes with a 17-piece accessory kit for any cleaning task. From floors, grout, and tiles to vehicles, upholstery, and walls, the tools adapt to your needs. It's like having a full cleaning arsenal in one compact device, perfect for tackling a variety of surfaces effortlessly. Weighing just a few pounds, the Neat is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its sleek design reaches tight corners and hard-to-access spaces without hassle. Cleaning around furniture, shelves, or car interiors becomes a stress-free task, making it ideal for both small apartments and large homes. With a generous tank, the Neat provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam. That means longer cleaning sessions without constant refills. You can tackle entire rooms or deep clean stubborn spots efficiently, saving time while still achieving a sparkling, sanitized finish across all surfaces. Dupray backs the Neat with a 2-year limited warranty, protecting against defects in materials and workmanship. This gives peace of mind, ensuring your investment in a chemical-free, high-performance steam cleaner is secure for years to come. It's a reliable companion for maintaining a spotless home. Overall, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is versatile, powerful, and easy to use. Chemical-free, portable, and backed by a solid warranty, it's perfect for anyone wanting a deeper, healthier clean. If you're serious about keeping your home spotless, this steam cleaner deserves a spot on your cleaning toolkit.